Look at that, guys.
Look
at the waves.
Look how close that
The
power line is to the
river has flooded.
Is that power
First
line?
EAS flood warnings, now it comes to
Oh,
this.
look how far it's
Real
how
river
much
floods.
flood we're
Oh
in.
my goodness. The waters have flooded all of the houses over here.
What does it do?
It is really bad. This isn't even the river. This is past the river. This is supposed to be land and crops.
No, it's tanks.
And the road up here named Coffee Landing Road is completely underwater.
Wait, yeah, it's
I just know it.
Yeah, 7
But look at that.
That's tanks. 7 stars.
Real river flood
And then airplanes.
for today.
Airplanes 6.
This is really bad, guys.
May get there.
It's been raining so much.
It rises another 5 feet.
It is so close to this road as well.
They're gonna lose. Somebody will lose.
The power lines are fixing to be knocked down shortly. It is really bad.
It's almost.
They had to cut it.
Hey, if we go over this next bridge, look at how powerful the water is.
And now we're fixing to see a road named Coffee Landing.
Watch this, kids.
See how underwater it is. That is so bad. River flood waters. Alright, here it comes. Here comes the road after this bridge. Look at all that. There are cars parked.
Oh my.
That is bad. That road is so underwater down
Come with their
there.
road sign.
Steel.
Now, under the bridge, where it comes out of that bridge, this is
I wonder if it stops at Cromp. May not. This is really bad.
look at that.
All the houses, all these storage units, all the powerhouses, storage buildings, and
Current right here on this
tool houses are all underwater almost. I feel so bad for the people living around the areas. Yeah, it is stopping at Crop. Wow.
Those campers, they don't have insurance. and
Oh
stuff.
man.
Look at this. What is that?
What?
What are those 3 buildings that's like turned up on their sides? or
Probably
something?
houses.
Alright, so that
What is
road
that?
is underwater.
There's a little.
And it stops there.
See, they have little buildings there for the remote control airplane thing.
Well, and that way goes to the river. Hey, you guys should have seen. So now we're going to go down to the river to see how bad it is. Okay, I see a sign that says it is probably closed.
How bad it is.
Oh my goodness, this, yeah.
Where are we going?
But this is really bad. Okay, and this is where it starts, isn't
Not
it?
dead, you're first.
High water sign. Who cares? Let's just keep going.
Yeah, let's just keep going. It doesn't
Oh
mean
man.
anything.
Well, they got through that water.
Just turn around.
No, let's
Keep
go.
You want to turn around at some point.
If the restaurant has a well, look at that, man. That stream.
The road's closed.
That is awful. Oh my goodness.
It's just
Look how close to the road that is.
you can drive.
Yeah, this is bad.
This is at the bridge.
Oh, there is a car underwater.
No.
Yep, they done floated away.
Look at that.
That's probably part of it. It's just parked down there. Probably not able to.
That's
Oh,
Oh
wow.
no.
That is awful.
That car.
And then the sign just ends there.
It could have been their car that they had parked down. They got brick like we did. They're brick.
Wow, this is so bad. It's up here.
There you go.
There's the river.
That's the island right there. The island's still covered.
Sun is doing the best it can to take the water all out, but it's not going to do it for a while. I think I'm starting to see the restaurant, but it's just a little farther down.
That's what I thought it was for.
I told them we'd be back when we were up
You told who that?
About what?
Okay.
They got life jackets hanging from there.
Come on, guys.
Just in case.
You want to walk down there?
Let's just
Walk
see.
down there and see.
Where even is the restaurant?
Walking.
Where is the restaurant? I can't even see it. Okay, so we are parked and now we're going to go look at the floods. Oh man, the sun's bright. I cannot see. Alright, so now we are heading on our way down here. Alright. I think there is a restaurant down here. We are walking down there and I can't even see where the restaurant even is, but it's probably all the way down here. But look at all that. I think the restaurant's gone right now. Nobody can even get to eat down there until further notice, I bet. But stuff like this happens when we get too much rain. People are even wanting to boat in this. It was 73 degrees yesterday. Okay, where is River Heights? Because I don't even see it. You know,
Yeah, it's all around over there.
where is River Heights? Where is it? I don't see River Heights, Dad.
There's actually boating out in
Is it way down there or something?
Yeah, it's probably all over there.
Oh my goodness. This is so bad, guys. Nobody can go to the restaurant unless by boat. Looks like it. But look at it, it's all the way down here, over there. We have a pond somewhere in our woods. And it's probably flooded too.
Does that mean it's over it?
I can't even see the restaurant.
I thought it was a little closer from here.
So it's way over there.
Yeah, it's on the other side of those trees over there.
This is bad.
Look how fast the water's running. Look at
The current is insane as well. I can even see it. I can see it going that way.
Guys, you can go boating.
It is bad.
I'm not.
Stuff like this happens if we get so much rain. So, you know. Well, looks like we're going to cut this off. We've had such a big flood, a big bad flood in our area. And it's going to continue, and I'm not going to school tomorrow or Tuesday due to the floods. Possibly longer if it's just as bad. Well, guys, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And there's another road that's flooded. And I just go pray for safety and stuff. So I'll see you guys later and stay safe, and maybe you won't end up in the floods like we do.